What's up, everybody? Sorry I haven't done any videos in a while. Actually, it's been quite a while, but I've just had some really wonderful things going on in life, and I have just not had the time to make videos lately, but I will again soon. But that up there you're seeing, it looks like a star, kind of. That's Venus. Now, the sun's been down for about an hour, and from what I remember, the sun's about 1,000 times bigger than the Earth, roughly. And it's so far away that it's about the same size as the moon in the sky, which is only, I don't know, under a quarter million miles away. Or the moon, or the sun is like 93 million or 90 million something. But between that planet and the sun, it's like 60 something million miles. And it's crazy that right as the sun's going down, you can just see it over the trees. You see that, and you can see that from that thing that's just hanging over the trees all the way up to that light is 60 something million miles. That shit is crazy. Right there though, bright as can be. And you can't see it when it's between us and the sun or when it's behind the sun. Same with Mercury, you can only see them when they're off to the sides, to at least to some degree. I don't know how fucking far they gotta be, but it's a planet. I know they said I just looked this up, so don't quote me, but somewhere it's like it's close to the size of the Earth, but it's smaller. And I guess they actually sent rovers up there too. I always seen the Mars rover pictures, but I never saw the I didn't know they had sent, I heard they had sent something to Venus, but I didn't know that it actually got pictures. And it's fucking creepy looking. And it looks like, I don't know what you think World War I would have looked like in the battlefield. Just all the skies are like a yellow, like a mustard yellow. And it's some of the same kind of gas that mustard gas, or they use in mustard gas, some sulfur or some shit, I don't know. But it's definitely not breathable. And it's just like a gray, it looks like Mars, but the ground is gray and the sky is yellow. It's really weird looking. But yeah, the thing's a whole fucking giant rock, just similar to Earth, just too close to the sun to have water, it's got no atmosphere. And damn, if that thing were further out like us, who knows? There could have been life pop up there, I fucking love space. I watch the planets all the time, and I guess that I had talked before about Jupiter and Jupiter and Saturn, and when Jupiter was going to lap Saturn. And I did the figuring in the sky, and it looks like even though the things move across the sky like this, it should, like, they're moving in this direction. So at night, I don't know where they're at. There's something there. I don't know if it's even seeable. Right there. There you go. Right in the middle. That may be two. No, I can't be. It's two. No, I'm seeing other stars. All right, never mind. But anyways, so things move across the sky like they're passing each other. So I wasn't sure if Jupiter had already lapped Saturn and I had missed it, or if it was going to happen. And by all the ways I figured about the way the Earth spins and the way things are moving, that Jupiter should be catching up to Saturn. But for some reason, I'd convinced myself over the course of the summer that that's not the case. And so anyhow, so I looked it up, and actually Jupiter is catching up to Saturn. So at night, like where Venus is there, you'd see Jupiter and Saturn be a little ways off like that. And so over the course of the next year, it is actually going to catch up. It takes about 20 years for Jupiter to lap Saturn, because Jupiter's got a 16-year orbit roughly, and Saturn's got like a 29-year something orbit. So it takes 20 years for it to pass it and catch up again. But on December 21st, first day of winter, I believe, shortest day of the year, I don't know if we're going to be able to see it from Chicago, or we might just catch it after the sun goes down from what I read, but who knows. But they're going to be perfectly lined up, so you should only see one of them, I'd imagine. But Jupiter will be directly between us and Saturn, and then 20 years from now, it'll be catching back up and doing it again. And the last time it did it was March or May of 2000, so yeah, it takes a while. So actually a little over 20 years, I guess, yeah. 20 and a half years. But yeah, that shit really intrigues me. I love space. There ain't nothing else you can see out here. It's too fucking light out. But Yeah, I don't know. I haven't checked to see where Jupiter and Saturn were in a while, because about a month ago they were up during the day. I don't know if it's early day, midday, late day, whatever, but I haven't seen them in a while. Because we're, passing behind the sun, or on the opposite side of the sun as them. Don't quote me on it either, but that's what I imagine is happening. Yeah, it'd have to be. And so, I don't know when we're going to start seeing them again, but fuck, who knows, they might be out at night anyhow. I just might be completely wrong. But I don't think that they're out during the night, or if they are, it's probably like only the very early morning or very late, like very early evening, or like right before the sun comes up. But anyhow, I'll talk to you later.